It's the next morning, and I got up at 7:30 because I had to go to the bathroom. Anyway, I made myself some eggs and got some bread and some coffee. This is a thing of ginger we're going to put in the garden, and we got some turmeric root. Got that at Publix, but we're going to put that in the garden, see if we can grow that. And then we always want to grow good red potatoes. So these little ones like this be perfect for the garden. Anyway, they'd be perfect for soup too. And these are the Whopper tomatoes this is what I like to grow right here. These are good tasting tomatoes. Good tasting tomatoes. Let me get to eating my breakfast.